Hi friends, welcome to Geeks4Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to remove the minimum number of characters so that the two strings become anagram. Given two strings in lowercase, the task is to make them anagram. The only allowed operation is to remove a character from any string. Find the minimum number of characters to be deleted to make both the strings anagram. If two strings contain the same dataset in any order, then strings are called anagram. For input string 1 equal to BCADEH, string 2 equal to HEA, output will be 3 as we need to remove B, C and D from string 1. Input string is equal to CDDGK, string 2 equal to GCD, output will be 2 as we need to remove D and K from string 1. For input string 1 equal to BCA, string 2 equal to ACB, output will be 0 as they are already anagrams. The idea is to make character count arrays for both the strings and store the frequency of each character. Now iterate the count arrays of both the strings and difference in frequency of any character. Absolute count 1 of string I minus a minus count 2 string 2i minus a in both the strings is the number of characters to be removed in either string. Let's look at the implementation. Make count arrays for both the strings and calculate the frequency of each character. Count the frequency of each character in first string by doing count 1 string of 1i minus a plus plus. Similarly, fill the second count array for string 2. Then traverse the count arrays to find the number of characters to be removed. Keep on adding the difference in the counts of each character to the result. Finally, return the value of result. The time complexity of this solution is order n, where n is the length of the bigger string. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.